Today I'm going to make a fried rice. All these ingredients are just the leftover from yesterday. So I'll show you how I made my fried rice out from leftover food from yesterday. So first, we have to put, I'm using a butter, but cooking oil work the same. So if you have cooking oil, that's you can use. But normally for fried rice, I'm using butter. I'm always using butter. Then we can put our garlic. Just cook for just a few seconds until the smells come out. Now we have to put our onion, chopped onion, just one chopped onion, and I have put like 5 cloves of garlic. First, we just have to saute the garlic and the onion, and then until the onion gets translucent, then change the color. So after this, now my onion and garlic is okay. So now I have a frozen vegetables. It is beans, chickpeas, and carrots. But if you have fresh one, you can use your fresh vegetables. But this is what I have.
Cold one, but should be careful. The parents are planting away from here. But I'm the helper.
Sabella is my helper today.
Yeah, very good.
So they just wait, guys, until this vegetables gets cooked, because I just removed this from the freezer. It's a frozen one. So they just wait until it gets cooked. So maybe around 5 minutes. I don't want my vegetables so overcooked. I want just a little crunchy. So normally I don't overcook my vegetables. Now let's check our vegetables. So now this is okay. Vegetables are cooked. Now we have to cook our egg. Just put this at the side and put our egg. I just have 1 egg, guys. 1 egg is enough. Just cook this. Now this is okay. Mix it. Mix it with the vegetables, and I have here my leftover longanisa, or whatever leftover meat you have the other night. That also you can use, whatever is available. Egg also, just egg is also perfectly fine. So this is how I cook my leftover food from the other night. So after this, I have put this one. Actually this is, I don't know how to, she's Szechuan chutney. It is a Chinese actually, guys, for the deep spread, for the cook, for the Hakka noodles. But I can use this for the fried rice. Normally I'm using this. This is a little spicy. So what I'll do, I just have to add this is like a paste. So have to add only like this much, half tablespoon. Just to add different taste. Then I put my fried rice. This is my rice from last night. And for this, guys, I don't use, I'm not using soy sauce. Not every time I'm using soy sauce. So since I have put the Szechuan chutney, so no need for the soy sauce. So we just have to cook a little bit. Now we have to put half teaspoon of salt. Then mix. Just give a good mix. Just a good mix. So we have to wait until all the rice get heated up. See, guys? This is my leftover from last night. I have made fried rice. So now this is done. Now we do the plating. So this is now, guys, the fried rice. So it's easy, quick, and very healthy.